So where would you draw the line with the word niche? Like when does it stop being niche in your world?
Um, we tend to sort of look at it as the number of itineraries that are run, not just the actual departure dates. So if they only have 3 itineraries, but 25 departure dates, they're still niche. For us, it's the volume comes in itineraries. So if someone is running, 90 itineraries, then they're not as niche. They're a boutique supplier,
Okay.
but they're not like a really niche small
Like
supplier.
Crooked
That's the way we sort of look at it.
maybe.
Yeah, so
You know
Crooked
that
Compass
brand?
is for us is the boutique supplier
Yep. Okay. Yeah, because
as
they're
opposed to a
shipping
niche.
90, but they're not huge, so they would be boutique. Okay.